this is the finished product. She's so full and natural and fluffy. Hi y'all, as y'all can see from the title and the thumbnail, today I will be installing or doing a quick weave with Curlsqueen bundles. I'm gonna put the name of them right here, and it's like a balayage, so it starts off dark and then, you know, it's mostly blonde, but the dark beginning and like the dark throughout it will help my hair blend really well with the bundles. Okay, y'all, it's unraveled. I'm gonna do the first 3 across, and then I'm gonna start looping them and doing like a U shape. And again, it's curly hair, so I don't have to be precise. But I don't want it on the back of my neck. Like, it doesn't have to start all the way in the back of my neck. So I think like right here. Okay, now I'm about to start doing like a U shape across my head, and I'm just gonna leave like a little bit, maybe like this much. Look at.
Know you want some of this pride. You ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get right. Then we'll roll up 100 fucking blunts. All up in my mouth now. All up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it. All up in his truck. Now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm drunk. I got dank shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give reviews to you. Slow, we X, and be sipping on that juicy juice. That's just what she choose to do. Speeding up the heartbeat, banging in the chest. When you put it on me, you relieve my stress. You got me so high, taking deep, deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I'm hair or tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I move too quick past you, I would think it's my reflection. Things cold, shit isn't close enough. You could say every time we touch, every time we wish you could feel me, you could pull me. One bedroom right where your heart is. Each space feels broken hearted. Cross the bed feels way too far in. I know when they see just one, do they see us too? Ooh, I just wanna melt into you. I'm melting to you. Just wanna melt into you. Melt into you. Melt into imagine you ready for love and chase up and down. Hoping that that secret spit it out your mouth. Inhale, exhale, breathe in. With every breath I'm sinking in. No way to describe it, I'm a riot. If I wake up and I'm somehow beside you, instead of beside you, this shouldn't surprise you. You don't even notice, don't need to remind you. Wish you could feel me, cute apartment. One bedroom right where your heart is. Each place feels broken hearted. Cross the bed feels way too far in. I wonder when they see just one, do they see us through? When I'm melting to you,
Okay, y'all, this is the hair. It's full. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to define my hair with water, mousse, and this curl clumping brush. So I do a section about that big. So this will be my last section at the top. I already brushed out the hair, y'all, too. So I just drenched the hair. And then you add mousse, a lot. That's the only styler I'm adding is mousse, y'all. No drip. Just mousse. I'll split that in her. Detangle it. One more time, starting at the ends, of course. And after that, take the curl clumping brush and just, clump the curls like that. So I do about 6 twists on each side. In this, the twist, you don't have to do, but I'm doing perm rods. And I feel like the twist helps make sure that the curls are like the same diameter. Cause even though it's a looser curl pattern, it's kind of like a tight wave. So if I use my perm rods on it, without twisting it, the perm rod, like the circumference of the twist from the perm rod, is probably gonna be bigger. Hey y'all, it's the next morning, so it's time to take the twist out. I'm gonna use some oil on my hands, and I'm gonna do it ever so gently. I took the perm rods out, but I didn't stretch it or anything. So I already stretched most of my curls. I got to do 2 more, so y'all can see how it looks. I have on the lowest power and like a medium high heat setting. So you see how just doing that makes the curl longer. Just use some moves. So what I do is try to get the closest piece to the piece of my hair. So we split it into 2s, 3s, just twist it. A natural twist, but like you're not gonna tell. Just a twist. You see that? So I can just blend seamlessly with the hair. This is the final look, y'all. She's full, she's natural, she's fluffy. I'm gonna show y'all from the side. And the hair will be linked down below. This is like the 15th thing I got from Curlsqueen, and it also didn't disappoint. They just have the best quality hair. Mwah.